Every day, someone becomes a victim of bullying and fake news. It may seem like just a joke, but to someone else, it's a wound that never heals. Fake news spreads fast just like bullying. One click, one share can destroy someone's name. Think before you believe, think before you share. Spreading lies doesn't make you stronger. Fake news and bullying, they both destroy someone's name. Think before you hurt, think before you share. Kindness costs nothing. Respect is everything. Together, we can stop bullying and fight fake news.